So, oh crap, there's no battery in this? How do I charge this? Alright guys, what's going on? So it's after work. I have a small, short project, hopefully, if it all goes to plan. But take a look at this. This is the rear VW badge that I'm going to go ahead and replace, which will go ahead and just cover this. So first of all, I'm going to remove, just like the Mark 6, I'm going to remove this and place this on. I was contemplating whether or not to get the Kytt Works overlays that I had in my Mark 6. I'll take a look to see how much of a contrast this needs, and then from there I'll order the inlays if need be. So let's get this started. So here is everything all said and done. Unlike the Mark 6, I decided to go for a different route. So for the Mark 7, it's a bit different because I went and used the stock backing from the Mark 7, and I used it just to highlight the carbon fiber weaving for the VW instead of using what was it, Kytt Auto Works, which is the well, for the Mark 6 it would be the Rising Blue, right? Rising Blue inlay. I thought about using ordering the Lapis Blue to just kind of put the inlay here, but I think it will be a little bit too much. We'll see in the future. It might happen, it might not. But yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.